Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Today I'll be showing you my Lego classic pistol using bricks. So let's get started. So first, as you can see, this is just a pistol with not kind of special things. And as you can see over here, that's the reloading thing, which pushes the bullet and flies out through the front. So as you can see, it's tied with a rubber band there, and it bounces back. And this handle is kind of good, just for extra grip, but mostly like the other ones. And it's smooth over there, and yeah, there's also that thing. And it takes a bit of effort to pull that out with one hand, because I'm recording with one hand and using it with the other hand. So I'll just be right back and just trying to pull it out. Okay, I can't do it. I'll be back in a moment. And I've put it in back, and this is how it looks like when it's ready to shoot. So now what we have to do is now keep the bullet inside the hole. So I use a 1x3 block, which is not from Lego company. So just fit it through the hole where the gun thing is, and just I face the dots on top. This is where you snap it on top. Okay, so it's reloaded. Now just watch this shooting. 3, 2. Okay, you have to release that, and 3. That thing goes away very quickly. 3, 2, 1, and boom. As you can see, it's launched and that's gone, and it fell over here because I released it, and the bullet flew somewhere, which, okay, there it is. So this is the bullet there. That's the gun. It shoots properly, and there's no technique pieces required. There's only a rubber band inside and nothing else to do with technique parts. The bullet and the stopper, and that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and see you guys in the next video.